Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. Today we're continuing our video series designed to educate the public, so please subscribe to our channel. There's an expression that floats around the courtroom. It floats around the courthouse. It's everywhere. That your divorce should be, you should divorce better, but not bitter. Now, what does that mean? And how does one accomplish that? Well, the notion is that everybody knows the relationship didn't work out, right? That's why there's going to be a divorce. You can be embittered about it, or you can try to better your position as you move on to the new aspects of your life. It is always better to divorce better than to divorce bitter. Bitterness, spitefulness, all those negative qualities leads you down a spiraling path. It takes you in the wrong direction when you're trying to prevail in your divorce. You need to, number one, in order to assure yourself that you'll have a better divorce, you need to prioritize healthy communication and cooperation, okay? If you think you're going to win your case by stonewalling your ex, by not providing information that you're supposed to provide, by being negative, by being disruptive, by being abusive in your communication, I'm here to tell you that ain't going to help, okay? It's not going to work. All it's going to do is frustrate the process. It's going to be in good faith, and ultimately it will not serve you. So number one, let's prioritize healthy communication and cooperation. Number two, this is very important. Remember that ultimately it's not the lawyers that decide what the settlement agreement will be. It's the lawyers who put their stamp of approval and ask the judge for his stamp of approval on an agreement that the parties have come up with. Okay? So if you're going to spend months and months and months antagonizing, abusing, moralizing the other person, and now you're in a settlement conference and they're the ones that you got to work this out with, you're going to find that you have a really hard time doing that. Because all that crap that you threw at them, they're going to be holding it against you. And even if they say they're not, deep down they are. A lot of resentment there. If you lay a foundation of resentment, you're going to get back what you put out. If that's what you're putting out, it's going to be a disaster. So we don't want to do that. Let's maintain respect and dignity for both parties. Now, you also have to seek the assistance of an experienced person, a mediator, your lawyer, the judge. You should take guidance from the people who've done this, as a career. Remember, in most situations, this is your first and hopefully only divorce. But your lawyer has been through this 1,000 times. The judge knows all about it. So these are people who understand how the dynamic of this is supposed to go. They also understand what argument will resonate with the court and which will flop with the court, okay? They know that. So you're going to have to get it out of your system. Whatever you need to say it, but ultimately take your lawyer's guidance about what it is that should be brought forth and what will work and what won't. You need, and how do you know that your lawyer's going to give you good guidance? I'll tell you how. Because you've watched my other videos and you've seen what is a lawyer and what are the hallmarks for getting a lawyer that will work with you in these ways. If you've done that, and if you've gotten a lawyer who shares your vision of how this is supposed to go, then that won't be a problem. Now, if you have any questions or you need any assistance with your particular case, reach out, of course, and we'll be glad to help you out.